Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make this quick video because I had a couple of my clients ask about this, um, and I thought about it, and I'm like, well, that would actually help with the 30007 error code, right? So even if you have a workflow set up to D&D landlines as soon as they come into the system, and then you add all of those landlines to an SMS campaign, you're still going to get error rates because it's going to bounce, right? It's D&D, but we want to avoid even adding those landlines to those campaigns or those workflows altogether, right? So I'm going to show you a nice little trick as to how to do that. So this will be at the very beginning of, let me see, what should I name this? Split test, maybe? All right, yeah, let's name it split test. Um, so you're gonna add this little workflow at the very beginning, and let's say you've got some things already down here. I'm going to show you how that would look if you already got some stuff into the workflow. You've got some stuff already built out into your workflow. So you're going to go in at the very top of your workflow. You're going to hit the plus sign. You're going to add an if else. We're going to say landline. Nope, let's put mobile or landline. We're going to say mobile as the first one. And then we're going to do phone. Actually, I don't have the stuff built out in here. Give me 1 second. Okay, here we go. So I just decided to build it out into the client's account that was asking for it. So he's got this huge workflow down here, right? But they don't want to even add people that are landlines to this workflow. So what we're going to do is at the very top, we're going to hit the plus sign. Then we're going to hit the if else. We're going to name it mobile or landline. Oops. Mobile or landline. First one is going to be mobile. Sorry, maybe I'm going too fast. I've been told that I go fast a lot. And sorry, it's just anyway. So the first branch is going to be mobile. The segment is going to be contact details. We're going to type in phone type, and phone type is mobile. We're going to add condition or phone type. Now, if you have a drop down for your phone type, then it will only be one. Like you got drop down mobile, landline, VoIP, unknown, anything like that, then it would only be mobile. But I don't do that in my system. I do it with the words because it comes back all different types. It comes back mobile, cell phone, mobile, all capitalized, mobile, all lowercase, and the system will read that. For example, if you have drop down, and in your drop down it's mobile with a capital M and then lowercase, but in your CSV it's all capital, it will not map that when you try to map it because it does not recognize that it's being the same thing. So there's a quick tip for you if you didn't know that. So we're going to do phone type again. Phone type is, or actually let's do contains in case there's any spaces. We're going to do contains now all lowercase. Then we're going to say or, same thing, phone type contains. Now we're going to do all caps. And we're going to do contact details, phone type contains cell or one more. We just need one more. Or if you've seen it come back different ways in your CSV files, then you want to put that in there, right? You want to add that. So we're going to do phone type again. Contains phone, because it would be cell phone, right? So that's the first branch. Now, the second branch is going to be landline. We're going to do the same exact thing, but for landline. Phone type contains landline, spelled correctly with the uppercase, first letter being uppercase, then phone type. Oops. Phone type contains landline, all lowercase, and then phone type contains landline, all uppercase. I did not spell that correctly, did I? Line. Oh, I guess so. And then one more that I've seen in CSV files is phone type contains and that's going to be two. We're going to do that one all lowercase, right? And then because sometimes they're separated in the CSV, the word landline, the two words land and line, they're separated. So we're going to do land and land. And I think that should cover everything. Oh no, one more with the capital L. So type contains LAND. All right. So now what we're telling this is this if else. Let me go ahead and save it so you can see it. So this if else is going to split phone contacts that come into here. So now you don't have to like sift through your contacts, whether mobile or landline. If once you build this out on top of your workflow, you only got to do it one time, especially if you're using the same workflow, you're just duplicating it for different areas and stuff. You only have to build this one time. So now it's saying that if the phone type contains mobile, cell, or phone, it's going to bring it over to the left, which will actually send it down the SMS. And if it contains landline in any different form of the word landline, it's going to take it down this path. Now, what you do here is up to you. This will completely knock it out of the workflow, so you won't have to worry about sending SMS messages to landlines. But if you wanted to make a third one, like unknown, and you didn't even want to take the chance, or VoIP and you didn't want to take the chance, you could build those out the same way I just built these two out. But what I like to do is, let's go ahead and drop that bad boy in that young cold call campaign. Boom. So now, two birds with one stone. You grab all of your records that you uploaded, drop them into your workflow to start sending out messages, and all of the ones that are landlines are going to get dropped into a cold call campaign, and all the ones that are mobile or cell phone or whatever you want to call it get dropped into your SMS campaign. Now, that is it's very effective. It's very effective. But anyway, if you guys need anything, reach out to me, and I hope that this video helps you.